Did your Microsoft Access database stop working after a Windows 11 upgrade? You're not alone. Many businesses are running into the same problem when replacing old Windows 10 computers with new Windows 11 machines. The issue often isn't Windows itself, it's a 32-bit versus 64-bit compatibility conflict. Most new computers now come with 64-bit Microsoft Office, while many older Access databases were built using 32-bit Office. When you try to open those older databases on newer systems, they may crash, display errors, or stop working altogether. The good news is that this issue is completely fixable. At Winning Solutions, Inc., we specialize in upgrading 32-bit Access databases to 64-bit, making sure your system runs smoothly on Windows 11 and modern versions of Office. If your database uses pivot tables or Access data projects, those features may need to be recreated using modern alternatives. That's where careful planning and expert development matter. Addressing this now helps you avoid downtime, protect your data, and ensure long-term performance. If your Access database has stopped working or you're planning a hardware upgrade, now's the time to act. Call 515-239-9900 or visit winningsolutionsinc.com to discuss your options or schedule a database assessment today.